Adekipu Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Welcome back to the channel. So today I will be doing another unboxing video. Yes guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can never miss a video. Okay, yes guys, I'm feeling cute because installed my bump wig. If you wish to see that video, y'all can go over that video and watch it. Yeah, so this is a Zipmail package. If y'all don't know what Zipmail is a service that Jamaica Post uses to ship things fast, right? So this was posted to me Friday and I received it today, which is Monday. So make sure y'all check out, remember they don't work on weekends, y'all check out Jamaica Post to do your Gmail packages. If you have a business or if you want to send your friends or family something within the island, Zipmail. Yeah, so let's open this. It's really secure because you get a tracking number and everything. Yeah, but this package is from SD Trendy something another. See it on the screen. Yes, it's from SD Trendy Fashion. Yeah, and about 3 dresses and they're all 1,000 Jamaican dollars. I'm super excited. SD Trendy Fashion, quality clothes at affordable prices. You're damn right. Don't forget to tag us in your photos. I'll definitely do so. So my name is on this thing, so I guess I put it just to market. I love the packaging. Yeah, some people just shove the clothes in the Zipmail bag and it looks so tacky, and you know what, I like that they did this, you know, packaging. Very neat. Yeah, I know see a few things in this. Alright guys, what's that? More package? Oh god. So remember guys, the reason why your face this way is because the house is fixing and this is all the light I can get. You know, this is the only place in the house I can get. Yeah, so this is the first dress. Wow. See that? Yes, so it has an opening at the front. Yeah, the front open. Yeah, have this part where the breast goes and the hips. No, I love black. Yes, so let's put that back. Then we have this one. I'm really scared about the size for this one because they didn't have my size, which is a medium, so I put the large just in case. I should have put the small because you know these things stretch, so I look like a my size. Let me just put it on over my face to see, because I'm really skeptical about it. size. I'm that size. So that means I'm a large. I know it has this one side. I'm gonna step out in September. I'm wearing something here when I'm gonna leave. Then, right child. I'm gonna leave and I'm out. You know what I mean? Take me to the beach, baby. I wanna go on a trip. I wanna go to a hotel. And I might just wear this there. This is a medium, no? Not bad. Okay, so it got these edges. Why I bought this is because I had a blue and white long sleeve dress and I had the green one and I sold the blue and white one. And it's just the same with like a little tie and dye. And I wanted back one, so don't mind the chair, guys. Yeah, I love this. Look at this. This little thing. I can't wear it without the ears. Oh my god, I love the material. I love everything. It's giving. It's giving. Make me feel sexy. Yes, guys. So all of these, as I said, it's 1,000 Jamaican dollars for each of these dresses. Yeah, y'all go over SD Trendy Fashion and get y'all dresses. And what did I get there? You know, sometimes I believe the cat in my car. So I'ma just put these up because it's not unfixed yet and can't wear them. I'm gonna wear them. I'm right back to the same bag. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.